If you are a photographer or someone with thousands of photos, organizing them is harder than taking them. Before we even talk about services, here's something important. Most photo libraries are full of duplicates and similar images. Using PictureEcho on Windows or Mac, you can clean those first and instantly reduce your workload. Because people typically rely on professional digitization services, photo organizing experts, cloud-based solutions, but each comes with a different cost, timelines, and limitations. So let's compare some of the top small photo organizing services in New York City. Starting with Past Present Pics, best for personalized story-driven photo organization. They handle printed photos, albums, slides, and films. They create curated digital archives and photo books, and they focus on preserving family history. Clients love the hands-on, stress-free process and attention to detail. However, the pricing is custom as it's project-based. They're not very fast but quite thorough. Next up, Photo Story. It can scan your prints, slides, negatives, and it can be organized by date, people, and events. They create museum-quality albums and archives. However, they tend to be quite expensive because they often have high-end clients, but they have extremely polished service. Luminata Photo Management is best for personalized organization and storytelling. They work with both physical and digital collections, and they include scanning, archiving, and photo book creation. Next up is Orderly Photos. They're best for personal one-on-one organizing. They organize both printed and digital photos. We create albums, gallery walls, and structured systems. They're project-based, so their pricing is quite flexible. Lastly, we have Heather Hive, which is best known for reliable bulk digitization. They convert digital photos, slides, negatives into digital formats, and they can handle other archives as well. They're quite affordable. Before you pay for scanning, upload to cloud, or organize manually, there's a smarter step. Use PictureEcho. PictureEcho helps you detect duplicates and similar photos visually, clean thousands of images in minutes, and reduce storage costs before uploading. It works on Windows and Mac. It's also highly rated on Trustpilot, making it a trusted solution for modern photo cleanup. So a professional should be cleaning first, then organizing, and then storing.